Hello everyone, you are welcome back again to my channel, and I greet you all according to the time you are watching this video. So based on my last video, I said I will be showing you the tutorial of this kimono jacket. Simple and beautiful, no much drama, just straight to the point. So if this sounds like what you are interested in, kindly watch till the end, and please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and don't also forget to like, comment and share this video. So let's get started. This is my fabric folded into two on the wrong side. Kindly take note of how I placed it. Okay, so this is me just double checking the length and the width of my fabric and how long I want it to be. I wanted it to be on my knee, just as you saw in the picture. So when I was satisfied with the measurement, I went ahead to fold the fabric into two again. So in total, I folded the fabric into four. So this time around, I will just be trimming the excess fabric, just as you can see me do. And we'll just go straight to transferring the body measurements, okay? I marked a neck width of about 3 inches and neck depth of 1 inch. 1.5 inches is also fine. So for now, let's leave it like that. Then I came down by 11 inches for my armhole because it's a free jacket. I will just be drawing a straight line, which would also serve as my chest line. So now coming to the sleeve, is not going to be a separate sleeve. I'll be using the full width of the fabric for both my shoulder and my sleeve. Hope you understand. Then on that chest line, I'll be introducing my bust measurement divided by 4. Then I'll be adding my extra allowance, then my normal sewing allowance. Hope you understand. So for example, if my bust measurement is 40, divided by 4, that is 10. For this jacket, I added 3 inches allowance. I didn't want it to be too big, so I added 3 inches allowance and extra 1 inch seam allowance. Okay, on my hip line, I divided my round hip measurement by 4, added extra 3 inches allowance and another 1 inch for sewing. So you can just take that same measurement down to the full length of the jacket. Okay, so after then I just use my chalk to connect the marks, just as you can see me do. So like I said before, I just extended the hip measurement down to the full length of the jacket. But if you want your jacket to look slim at the bottom, you can just take out about 1 inch and that will be fine. So this is me just, remarking those points so it's very visible, and it's now time to cut out. For the sleeve, I just came down by 1 inch from that line. That will serve as the allowance, okay? So I had to cut it on that line instead of the original chest line that I drew. Hope you guys understand. So this is how this looks for now. So it's time to open it up and determine the front side of your jacket. So I chose one side, and that will serve as the front panel. Okay, you saw the way I picked it. I had to pick it in a way that it will follow the gator, because I had to press it down so that I will see that gator line. This part I did is not really important because it's an open front jacket, and your neck depth doesn't really matter at this point. What you would do is just to place your ruler on it, following the neck width. You just slant your ruler, and wherever your ruler gets to, you just cut it along that line. Then after cutting it, you can also retrim. Okay, you can retrim it to make it look good, to remove any sharp edge. So guys, this is how it looks after trimming. it's already taking shape, right? It's already taking shape. But we will not end here. We will look for what to use to design that open part. But before that, I will need to stitch. I have just stitched the round sleeve, like I just folded it into two. Then I've also sewn on the side. That part I did was the notching. I notched the armpit area, the armhole area, so that the fabric will be relaxed there. And I also hemmed it. It's very easy, it's a very straight sewing. I also did for this other side. I can say we are like 70% done. 70% done. So what is left is just to put the, I don't know if I should call it design on the opened part. That's what is left. You can come up with any design you want. Some persons will like pockets. If you want to put pockets at the front, you can go ahead. You can, in fact, this style is a style that it mustn't follow one way. But because I love simplicity, I didn't want it to be too busy. I realized I had this is it trimmer or a lace trimmer at home. I just decided to spice the fabric up with that lace, which I'll be attaching to this front part. I had already created this piece I'll be attaching to this open part. You can use any fabric of your choice, but for me, I just stitched this black lace on my fabric, like a strip of my fabric about say 3.5 inches wide, and the length is totally optional. Like you have to use the full length of your fabric times two to determine the length of the strip you are going to cut. Even though you have determined the length, you still need to add like say maybe 1 inch, just in case. It's better it's longer than it is shorter. So what I did was to notch the midpoint of that neckline. I'll also be folding this piece into two, notch it, and I'll make sure the two notches align. And now the two right side are facing each other. Sorry, the two right sides are facing each other. I will just pin everything down all the way. Then when I was done, I just took it to the sewing machine and I stitched down. And this is what you have, guys. Very simple, very beautiful. So if you're a beginner and you are wondering what you can easily sew for yourself, I think this is a very good one to start with. And it looks like, it looks, when you look at it, you think it's very tricky to make, but just take a look at it. It's very easy. You don't even need a lining. You can do it whichever way you want it. So I can say maybe I spent maybe barely 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes doing everything. So it's not time consuming at all. It's beginners friendly, and I would love you to try it, especially if you are just new in the sewing world. I would love you to try it. Kimono jacket is not difficult at all. So this was actually what I rocked on my birthday, and I hope this video has been helpful. If you did enjoy this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. See you all in my next one. Bye.